We can all use a little bit more storage, can't we? And after Hurricane Debby, I'm trying to store more of my items in plastic bins to keep them dry and off the ground. So I built a storage box system on wheels, so I can organize each box without stacking them on top of each other to have easy access. I also made sure it fits different size boxes. It also has a shelf in the middle and a countertop to add extra storage space. Do you want one too? Follow me and lass uns anfangen.
There's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand.
Those are the boxes that needed a dedicated storage place. They are some standard boxes I purchased from Home Depot. Currently, they are on sale for under $9 each. The small ones cost around $6. I want to build a storage system as affordable as possible while still wanting it to look good, so I purchased 16 2x4s that are 8 feet long and one 4x8 piece of plywood that is 3/4 inch thick and has white oak finish. The 2x4s often come with stuff printed on them with black ink. Instead of sanding all the ink off, I run the part through a planer to take a thin layer off to make him look clean. Once I ran all the boards through the planer, I gave each board a quick sand to make them extra smooth. Let's have some fun with it. I used my table saw to cut a few of the boards in half. Those pieces are used to support the sides of the plastic bins to hold them up in place. It's been extremely hot and humid in Florida, and the weatherman reported a natural shower that will last just a few seconds. I just couldn't miss that. Looks like the rain did not aim right. Let's ask Mother Nature to adjust the raindrops. Here we go, just perfect. Now I'm refreshed and ready to continue the build. I did not have building plans, so I had to measure where exactly I needed the storage boxes to sit, the spacing in between the wood slats and all that. Once I had that figured out, I started cutting the pieces to size. And attach the pieces with screws. I pre-drilled all the holes and countersank the screws. And for now I would say I said enough. Let's enjoy the natural sounds of nature and building for a bit. Last night I ran out of steam. Now let's finish up the project. I was not able to finish the build in one day, but only a few things are missing. Right now I'm working on the shelf that will be positioned in the upper part towards the middle. I attached 2 boards to give the shelf additional support. To attach those additional braces, I'm using pocket holes. For the shelf itself, I'm using leftover plywood from the countertop. To rip the plywood to size, I'm using my circular saw and the long piece of lumber to keep the cut straight. To finish off the edges, I'm using edge tape in white oak that I ordered from Amazon. I attached it by using the heat of an iron, since one of the sides has glue that will melt and bind the tape with the edges of the plywood. I used a small wood block to apply pressure to the tape to make sure it binds well. Now all that's left is to secure the shelf and countertop to the base. Again, I pre-drilled and countersunk the screws. And we are fertig! What do you think? Do you like my build? Please leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Also, press the bell button to get notified of new videos. If you can, please subscribe to my Patreon channel for more videos and pictures. This helps me continue my YouTube channel. I'm so excited I finally got a dedicated place for all of my boxes that make it easy to access them. And I can move it wherever I want to move it to. See you next Friday. Tschüss!